Hello, how are you? New dude, new me. Who dat? She me. As you can see, my hair is different. I'm super excited. I did this all by myself. I'm super proud because if you know me at all whatsoever for the past my whole life, you would know that I never do anything different with my hair. I don't know why exactly, but now I'm like, it's just hair, you know, you could cut it off. This is like such a big deal, and I did it myself. Like what? Oh yeah, also, do you see we got a crib, we got some baby stuff, and there's a swing thing behind me. Back to the hair. This is actually 3-day-old hair, so I did my hair 3 days ago. It's definitely a front type of look because I don't know what the back looks like. I tried looking, and this is definitely a look at the front look because the parting in the back, it's so hard. Quick disclaimer, if it's not obvious, I don't do hair at all. I know how to like French braid other people's hair, but other than that, I don't have any hair experience. There are some things that you should just know off top. I think this is things that people assume you know, but if you don't do hair, then you don't know. Part your hair first because then you know how much you're separating your hair. I started with the hair and I was like, yeah, I'll make 12 braids or whatever I just came up with out of the air, which I guess you could ultimately make that work. And then also make sure you start from the bottom and work your way up, because like right here, I think there's 3 braids. I started with this one, but the hair kept getting, you know, when I was doing it, this hair down here was getting cut in, was getting caught. So even in the small section, start from the bottom to the top. So I think those are like definitely things off top that you should know. And also another thing I would do is try and make the rubber bands, like, you know, that you're doing it at, in the center of the part, in the center of the square. Like it droops if you put it, or if you put it too far forward, then it kind of goes forward. You just want it to be a center in the square or whatever shape you put it in. Yeah, also I want to note that the other day when I was braiding my hair, I was having like one of those wonky days. I feel like this, now that we're getting super close to the day, I'm getting a little, I don't know, all over the place. Like I'm more excited than anything, but my body is so tired of being pregnant. Like so tired. Like I just want to sleep. I don't want to be uncomfortable on my shoulder. I want to lay on my stomach. Then it clicks that when the baby comes out, I'm not going to sleep anyways, or like, you know what I'm saying? We have to feed them all through the night. And then it clicks that my whole life is about to change. All right, so enjoy the hair tutorial from someone who doesn't do hair. Parting comb, I wish I got a better one, but this is the tiniest that I have. I got rubber bands. I'll probably do half with rubber bands, half without. Pomade, hairdress, shine, leave-in conditioner, water to drink, Eco Gel, which I'm just annoyed that they didn't sell a smaller size. This is the hair I got, 52 inches of beauty, pre-stretched. I will probably boom this one in the front pieces. So I'm just gonna start by separating the hair so that I could already kind of have it ready. I was supposed to start this an hour ago, but I was in a mood this morning and it took me a little longer. And the only reason why I'm kind of rushed is because I have a movie that I'm gonna go see. I'm gonna go see The Woman King. I'm excited about that. I used to always take myself on dates. Movies, I mean, what are we gonna talk about anyways? Kids are out of school. But apparently this is supposed to be under 2 hours, and right now the movie starts in 1 hour and 45 minutes. So let's see how this goes. So first you want to section it off. I should have sectioned my whole hair, as I said earlier. But you basically put the rubber band in and then you pull the hair through. I know I could have straightened my hair or like blow dried it straight, and maybe you should, but like I'm pregnant and I was trying to do the most
least amount of work. And make sure when you do it that you pull the hair evenly, so that one side isn't longer than the other, which I did in the first place. So once you pull it through, make sure that both sides have the same amount of hair.
This is my first one, so give me some grace. But it looks like it's doing what it's supposed to do. I woke up like super emotional, super sad. I don't know why. I'm super grateful though. I will say this whole pregnancy has been not super like crazy emotional, nothing like that, which usually I'm super emotional just by my period. You know what I'm saying? So look at me go. Look at me go. Twist, flip, twist, flip. Anywho, month 8 till now have been harder than the whole pregnancy combined, really, honestly. All right, so I just tied that and we'll see if it stays. Cute. We've got one braid. So I decided I'm gonna part it right now, because I think it'll help, because I think I'm gonna get lost in the mix. I pushed the time back for the movie. Parting is actually a hard part of this. So I have these sections 1, 2, and then I did the back. I'm sure you can't tell what's going on. I'm gonna have to take a break on this back one, because it's making me go crazy.
So the key to this is that you twist the hair and then you wrap it around, but you could do it kind of like in one motion. It's twist, then wrap. And it's the same when you add the hair on, you literally just place it on top and just go for it. Twist and wrap. See that twist in the wrist? Oh, she's getting somewhere. Oh, she's feeling herself. Relax, girl, relax.
I don't think I'm gonna make it to the movie, you know, after all these breaks. I don't know why, but for some reason I'm trying to like get on a schedule right now. I don't know, like I just started Google calendars. Usually I'm a pen and paper type of gal, but I've been trying to like stick to making a schedule, which I always do, but like I'm trying to stick to it hard, and it's like, you're pregnant, bro. Like, why? I'm trying to fill in every second of the day for some reason. I don't know what's happening. Ugh, but it's just stressing me out. Like, I need to find a happy medium, because I do like having a schedule, and I do like, you know, and I don't know if it's because I'm nervous when the baby comes and if I'm gonna be all over the place. Arms are tired. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, I think I'm starting to maybe get a little anxious with the baby. I'm almost there. I'm 37 weeks. I don't know, I just feel nervous. I'm trying to change my mindset to like that labor's gonna be like fun, or at least just not petrifying, you know what I'm saying? And I think the fact that within the next couple of weeks, or any day now, the baby's gonna come out. I have no idea what that's gonna feel like, and I'm like practicing my meditation and pregnancy affirmations and just like whatever I can, trying to get my pelvic floor, like doing all these things to prep. But I mean, can anything really prep you? I don't know, you know. And then there's all these tales of like, drink this tea and cactus water and aloe vera and all kinds of stuff, and it's like, does it help? And it's like, I don't know, but does it hurt to not try it? Another thing is definitely start at the bottom and work your way up, because like on this one I started at the top and worked my way down, but it's hard braiding because the hair's in the way. Even though I like wrapped it and like pinned it, there's still like loose pieces. So definitely just like do the bottom.
Okay, I just wanted to show another time from the beginning. First, putting the rubber band on. The part that kind of sucks for me is once you do this, you know, you pull it through, it's like loose again. And I know that you tighten it by pulling it, but it's just never the same, you know, it's just not as smooth. So that's just a bummer. But watch how I place this. Maybe you could see it better at this angle. It's literally just on top. and I just twist it. Like, I was so nervous, and sometimes it was hard, but it got easier. Just keep twisting, girl. Keep twisting.
Oh, the finale! Yeah! Wow! Woohoo! All right, so there she is. She is finished. Did I really do it? It's cute, and I don't have to do my hair. Oh yeah. But that's what it's looking like in the back. So I looked at the back, and it's okay, you know? It's okay. It's not my best quality of work. But like I said, I really feel like one, the hardest part is the back, and the other hardest part is parting it. Parting is really hard, especially in the back. It's so funny because now that I did my whole head, I feel so much more confident back here. But still, the back, like I said, is still hard. Looks so much better already. Look at me. Who am I? I'm not gonna lie, like, today was a rough day for me emotionally, but I'm glad I did this. I'm glad I'm done. Because, I don't know, I feel like I did something, I accomplished something today. And I like that it's so easy to kind of like almost refresh, it seems like, you know? So when they start getting like all messy, I could just retwist, it looks like. So we're done. I hope it didn't take you 4 hours because you were able to cut some of that time out. If you're pregnant, it takes you a little bit longer. That's all good too. But try it out. Let me know. From beginners to beginners, we're gonna take over the world. All right, I gotta go. I'm hot. All right, bye. Look at the belly.